Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a USB-C docking station and configure DisplayPort audio easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary equipment. Ensure you have your USB-C docking station and a compatible laptop or device. Plug the USB-C docking station into a power outlet if it requires an external power source. Connect the docking station to your laptop using the USB-C cable. Make sure the laptop is powered on. Once connected, the laptop should automatically detect the docking station. Check for any notifications or prompts on your laptop screen. Now, let's set up DisplayPort audio. Connect your external monitor to the docking station using a DisplayPort cable. Make sure the external monitor is powered on and set to the correct input source. Right-click on the sound icon in your laptop's taskbar. Select Sounds from the drop-down menu. In the Sounds window, click on the Playback tab. You should see a list of playback devices. Look for the external monitor in the list. If it's not set as the default device, right-click on it and select Set as Default Device. Now, you can test the audio. Play a video or an audio file to check if the sound is coming from the external monitor. If it's not working, ensure the volume is turned up on both the laptop and external monitor. If you encounter any issues, double-check all connections. For additional settings, you can go back to the Sounds window. If needed, adjust the volume settings from the playback device properties. Congratulations, you've successfully installed and configured your USB-C docking station and DisplayPort audio. You're now ready to enjoy your setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.